Hi everyone and welcome to this new video, and today, as written in the title, once again it's part 3 concerning my Longchamp summer sales buys. Because yes, as explained in part 2, I will link it somewhere if you have missed it. I was explaining you at the end of the video that I finally bought a bag, which was, I have to say, not expected. I was interested by this bag, but I did not plan to buy it yet, and I will tell you everything in this video, so let's go. For those who just jump into this video and discover me, hi guys, I'm bags passionate, a French bag collector, fashion lover, and above all Longchamp addict. Welcome to my channel. I do video both in English and French, my mother language, so if you love bags, bag discussion, and French accent, you're at the right place, so please consider subscribing if you're a returning viewer, subby who keeps on looking at my video. Thanks a million guys for your support, love you. In this bag that you all know if you have seen part 2, there's another bag. I'm going to unbox it right now because I know you guys, you are super excited to see what I got and be kind to hear the story behind this buy. So, here it is in its dust bag, and I know guys you have spotted the color, and let me unbox it and we discuss, because yes, this bag has a story. So I bought, yes guys, I finally bought it. Let me place the dust bag. I finally bought it. Let me present you the Longchamp Roseau Essential Tote Bag M size. Yes guys, you heard me well. This is the M size because if you follow my channel, you know I've got the L size, which is the biggest size, and the L size was the very first size they launched years ago because I've got one of the first colors, and since yes, one season they have launched the M size, and this one is in the orange color, and during the sales 2 colors were on sales, khaki and orange. You have to know that in France we never have the first color. Yeah guys, you hear me well. We don't have the very first color of this bag, and we are in France. So Longchamp is a French brand. So this was funny. The other fact is that this bag I am filming today still don't appear on the Longchamp French website. So in fact, this bag in France, you can only see it in the boutique, Longchamp boutique, or stores, multi-brand store, which has Longchamp corner. What happened is that I finally saw this bag for the first time, and I see the clay color, yes, argile in France, clay color. And I tried it in the boutique. And clay is a very nice color, guys. It's darker than paper color. It's a kind of grayish white, really grayish white. And I was really interested because the size is just crazy. I will nearly speak in French. Dang, crazy. I will write the dimension, and I love the one I got, but it's seriously bigger. The L size is really bigger. And when I tried clay, I really thought, oh, this is seriously a great bag. But one information, because you have to know, when they launched the M size, in fact, they also changed the leather. It is no more Torillon leather. You will have a Torillon leather on size L, but the previous color. Just to let you know, so my previous one is in Taurillon leather, but this one in coral grain leather, just to let you know. I did not buy the clay color because I have to be honest with you, I don't know, but I was afraid concerning the color transfer. I know I've got white bags and I have no color transfer, but I don't know. For this one, I have a doubt. Seriously, I have a doubt. And I passed on the clay. Then my boutique got the khaki color. And what happens is that my sister bought the khaki one. Yes! She fell in love with this bag. She went to the boutique alone. And she used it and she called me and she told me, oh my God, this bag is just insane. Because my sister, you have to know, she also have the L size in sienna color, which is divine. Seriously, she loved it. But she tried the M and she fell in love. So she bought the khaki one. And what happened is that at the time, they Longchamp launched the new colors. You know, I have done a review concerning it. And the first information was that this bag will appear in the peacock color. So I directly called my boutique and I say, hey, you know, I want my sister, let me try M in khaki. I got the information that maybe this bag will appear in the peacock color. I want one in the peacock color. So my sales associate said, okay, no worry. The very first we have in the peacock color, it's for you, it's reserved. So I was happy. And what happened is that I went to my boutique, so for the sales, where I have bought, the Pliage M in tomato and the backpack in sauge. And I enter the boutique and directly my sales associate ran to me and tell me, hey, you don't know what? We got the information. Peacock. There will be no tote bag M. I say, what? She's telling me, yes, only the bucket XS bag and you know the other one, the Luna Form, the Oboe S, as I explained in the video. So this bag will never appear in the peacock color. I was super sad, guys. Seriously, I was super sad. And my sales associate told me, hey, but you know what? We still have one in orange because they don't have it for a long time, but she told me, we have the orange color, have a look. And you know what? We put this bag on sale at 40%. I was like, hey, that sounds interesting. Okay, I did not plan to buy an orange bag, even if I do love orange color. Let me see it in real, because I repeat, I just have seen in real clay and khaki. And she brought me the bag. And seriously, guys, I love the color. Oh my God. Look at this orange color. Oh, I've also got the Boxtrot XS in orange. And look at it. Oh, it's a pop orange. But it's an orange tone that I know I will be using all year long because it matched very well a dark outfit I tried. Finally, to tell you everything, this bag retail for in American dollar, if I remember well, if I made a mistake, I will correct. In American dollar, it's 540. In France, it's 450 euro with 40% less. I paid it 270 euro. Quite a bargain, seriously, guys. So let me present it to you. The hardware is gunmetal or dark silver. So to open it, because it's a roseau and you know how much I love roseau. So you open it like this. On the side, you've got two snap button to expand your bag or narrow it. And inside you've got one main compartment, so spacious. You've got the accessoire that I love the most. Yes! The keychain, yes, you got it on the Roseau line, essential in this tote bag, you've got it. You've got a zipped flap pocket here, which is quite spacious, and you've got an extra pocket here. You can fit a phone or pen or what you want. And so, you see, it's raw leather inside. Let me show it to you on my body. So this one is clearly smaller than the bigger one, but guys, it's just perfect, seriously, for every day. Yes, at that price, in every case, I know I have made a big bargain. And even if it is not the same leather as usual, seriously, it's also a great feeling. It's super soft, it's a slouchy bag, and it's a vibe. I quite like it. I'm a fan of the Foulonné, so this one is not the same, but nearly the same. And I don't know, I think it's gorgeous, seriously. Let's see what fits inside, even if we all know a bunch fit inside. As you can tell, I put a little of my items inside. Let me show it to you. You see, so in the first little pocket, I put some tissues because we all always need tissues. Yes, one of my Foulonné pouch can fit easily. I have also my travel book, which is my notebook, and I use it so much. It's not easy, I also put inside my compact card holder, but I know I can fit my bigger one, you know, my continental wallet if I want. I also have this card holder, this Longchamp Foulonné card holder. This is a vintage one. And I've got my document of a car. And of course, I've got a pen, just to show you. I have space for a bottle of water here or this side, and a pair of Sunny, and oh my god, it's insane. It's seriously insane. And since this bag is, when it is empty, is super lightweight, you only have the weight of your item. Of course, the more you put inside, the more heavier your bag is, but just there. And I can attach my keys and so on. Oh no. I love this color. It's just a pity that peacock will not be there, but as you know, I am so interested by peacock. I want to see the bucket XS. I told you the information right now. So, but if you love classical color, the fawn one is really gorgeous. Tell me everything in the comment below. This ends all my videos concerning the Longchamp summer sales concerning the year 2024. Stay tuned, more videos are coming. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. I will be more than happy to answer you. Till the next video, take care. Love you guys. Bye bye.